In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a domain in Mailchimp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of options, but for this, you want to click on Website. After you click on that, a new set of options will pop up, and you'll want to select Domains. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your domain names. Now that you're in the Domains section, it's time to kick off the purchase process. Locate the button that says Purchase a New Domain and go ahead and click on that. It's quite straightforward and will lead you to the next step in securing your online identity. Next, you'll be presented with a search bar. This is your tool for finding the perfect domain name. Type in the desired domain name that you want to register. As you're doing this, Mailchimp will automatically check its availability. If it's already taken, don't worry. The system will also suggest some available extensions like .com or .net. Take a moment to browse these options because they can really define your brand's online presence. Once you've found the domain name that fits just right for you and it's available, look for the Register Domain button and give that a click too. After clicking that, you'll be prompted to enter some additional information, starting with your phone number. This step is crucial for setting up your domain securely. After entering your details, you will move into the checkout process. This part is like shopping at any regular online store. You'll review your selection and proceed to payment. Keep an eye on any other options or add-ons Mailchimp might present. You can decide whether to opt for them or stick with just the domain purchase. Once you've completed the buying process and all the information is entered, you'll get a confirmation of your purchase. Congratulations! You now own a domain name through Mailchimp. This is a significant step in building your online presence. Remember, managing your domain will also be done within the Domains section of Mailchimp, so feel free to explore the additional options or settings that might help you with your new site. If you're excited about what you're building online, be sure to subscribe and like this video for more tips and guides on making your online endeavors a success. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel empowered to launch your website